Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This time I will show you how to execute hover jQuery event in your HTML web page. This is my HTML web page. Within this title tag I will mention hover as a title. Then within this head tag after title tag I will include script tag. In this script tag I will mention src as a source attribute, and within this source attribute I will set my jQuery library http://code.jquery.com/jQuery -1.10.2.js. So this is jQuery library I am going to use in this HTML web page to implement hover jQuery event. Within this body tag I will include button tag. I will set submit as a button name. To this submit button I will apply some CSS properties. For this purpose I will set sub as a ID selector for this button tag. Here within this button tag I have set sub as a ID selector. Then after script tag within head tag I will include style tag to apply internal CSS properties for this submit button. Here I will mention hash sub, then open curly brace, close curly brace, and within these two curly braces I will apply internal CSS properties. Here I will set height property, that is 40px, then width property 200px, color I will set tomato color to this submit text which will appear on this button tag. Then I will set background color orange. To make this submit button appear in the middle of the web page, I will set margin left property as a 40% and margin top property as 10%. To see the output I will run this HTML web page. So this is how submit button look likes. I will set another border radius property. Border radius 30px. I will refresh this web page. So this is my submit button. Its color is orange and text color is tomato. Now I will apply hover jQuery event, and to do that after style tag again I will include script tag within this head tag. Then in this script tag I will call factory function, that is dollar open parenthesis close parenthesis. So this is jQuery factory function. In this jQuery factory function I will set document as a parameter. Then with the help of dot operator I will call ready event. In this ready event I will initially pass one function as an argument, that is function open parenthesis close parenthesis open curly brace close curly brace. Thereafter I will call another jQuery factory function, that is dollar open parenthesis and close parenthesis. Since I want to apply hover jQuery event on this submit button, so here in this jQuery factory function I will set this sub sub as a ID selector. So within double quote I will mention hash sub. Again, with the help of dot operator, I will call hover jQuery event. In this hover jQuery event, I need to pass two functions, in function and out function. First one is in function. In this in function, I will call another jQuery factory function, and this time I will set this keyword as an argument to this jQuery factory function. With the help of dot operator, I will call CSS function. Here in this CSS function, I will set two parameters. First parameter within double quote background color, and second parameter within double quote violet. So how this in function will work? This is my submit button, and when I will move my mouse cursor towards this submit button with the help of hover jQuery event, its background color will convert into the violet color. Initially it has orange color as a background color. Here, by applying comma separator operator, I will call another out jQuery function. Function open parenthesis, close parenthesis, open curly brace, close curly brace. In this out function, I will call factory function. I will set this keyword as an argument, and with the help of dot operator, I will call CSS function. Again, I will set two parameters to this CSS function. First one is background color, and second one is gray. So what is the significance of this out function? This is in function. With the help of this in function, background color of submit button will convert into the violet color, and when my mouse cursor will move out of this submit button, then with the help of this out function, background color of submit button will convert into the gray color. So to see the output, I will refresh this web page. Here initially the background color of submit button is orange. When I have moved my cursor towards this submit button, its background color has changed into the violet color. Now I will take my mouse cursor out of this submit button. So here you can see that its background color this time now has changed into the gray color. So whenever I will set my mouse cursor on this submit button, its background color will appear as a violet color, and when I will take my mouse cursor out of this submit button, its background color will change into the gray color. So this is jQuery hover event. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video.